Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to watch Biniverse World Tour 2025 Bus Tour Vlog. So I'm super excited na panoodin to kasi diba nakakatawa na agad yung mga teaser na in-upload ng Bini PH. And wala, ang dami nating content na natatanggap lately kasi nga diba parang LDR tayo with Bini, pero malapit na din silang umuwi dito sa Pinas. So I'm super excited din sa Bini Homecoming kasi nakasecure ako ng ticket. So, see you there, guys. Ayun, mag-vlog din ako sa Bini Homecoming. Pero ngayon, ayun, inaantay na lang natin matapos yung countdown itong premiere ng Biniverse World Tour Bus Tour Vlog. So, paulit-ulit pala yung sinabi ko. Pero ayun, inaantay na lang natin siya matapos. Hindi ko na ito patatagalan. Let's start! Let's go! Grabe yung bus talaga nilang ganda.
We're New York. We're here. And ito talaga yung view ko from the front.
Hey,
It's
slay!
our bus!
Let's go!
Oh my gosh. Look at my face. Here,
Pretty.
there's a passenger seat and then dito yung driver. And for more privacy, meron munang door bago talaga sa aming bus.
Nice!
Para naman hindi kami nakikita kasi we're all girls here. And when you open it,
Nice.
oh,
Stop.
my Bini, ayan. It's like that. And then, you're
Ang ganda.
inside. Woo!
Deserve.
Ikaw, Mix, take it over. Okay.
Collect with her Bini blanket.
So this
This
is
is up.
the living room. Uy! Where are you trying to hide? So, ayan po, we have the remote here. And then this is
Si
the
Miss
window
MQ.
where we can open it.
Ay, Miss
anytime
MQ,
we
baka
want.
naman.
Miss MQ right there. And then we have these lights. The aircon looks like this. Maliit siyang ganito. They have these in all the corners. And then the drawers. What's this? This is like a compartment. Yeah. And then meron aircon dyan sa baba ulit.
Amazing.
Then, meron dito, yung mga cabinets nila, it's like,
Pang
you know,
ano,
yung
pang
parang
airplane.
very, pag gumagalaw, friendly. Like, hindi siya basta-basta magbubukas. Kasi
That's
the
nice.
was moving, and there's another TV here, and then there's a drawer here. Dito kami usually, oh! This is where we keep our merch. Nakita ba nila yung merch? Isa pa. Boom! Okay.
As a vlogger.
And ito na yung extended version. But when we're moving, usually mas nagiging tighter pa siya. But it's very enough. It's very good. You know what I'm saying? Now, Stacy is gonna tour you the kitchen.
Wow, parang lahat sila may part-part kung anong itutour nila.
So, this is the kitchen. Tada! Ayan. So, dito kami naghuhugas ng mga kamay namin. Ayan. Dito rin kami nag-toothbrush, wash ng face, and may mga tissue, may sabon, napaubos na alcohol, and meron kaming big tissue, mga table napkins, and coffee maker. And dito naman sa taas, makikita yung mga food, and may basong gamit. Hindi ko alam kung saan nanggaling yan. Thank you so much, Blooms, for the foodies. Dito naman yung mga baso, yung mga vitamins, gamot, mga paper bags na pwede gamitin. Ayun, and dito naman mga drawer. Yan, mga food ulit, mga sweet. Mga gummy bear. Hindi kami kasi sa mga matatang sweet, mga gummy bear din yan. Dito din sa baba. Sa baba. And ano pa naman, yan, mga spoon and fork. Tapos, ayun, mga nabalik kaming tumira dito for 5 years.
No!
Basura. So,
I love the ano,
Ito
pictures
naman,
na
ayan,
transition.
What's this? Ano?
Office.
So yung parang mini office namin. Or minsan dito na kami kumakain kasi medyo close naman siya sa aming sofa. So, meron ding, paano ba to? Pero,
Get the kalat.
dito, ayan, kung gusto mo ng view. And may tao dito, katukin natin.
Oh, in the teaser.
Ayan.
Kalaya!
Waiting for this time. I've been
Ang
waiting
ganda
so
yan.
long here, guys. Hello, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a tour.
Ang
sa
cute lang.
restaurant. So, as you can see, looky. This is the banyo. Boom. This is
Oh,
the
I want that
mirror
camera.
here. Tapos we have lights. We have the anti-lights. Ayan. And
This
Kaya
is
lang
for
hindi
the
ko
cabinet
pa
lights. So
siya
you nakalagay na label, cabinet
afford.
and vanity. Then, this is where you do number 1. You can only do number 1 and not number 2 because it's not allowed. And then, this is how you flush it. You press this
Ooh, wow.
B. Okay. Then we have tissue,
Wow.
and then you can wash your hands here. This is hot. This is cold. You can combine them both so you get
Like,
warm water.
na-curious din ako
Tissue,
paano,
and then we have some
paano
cabinet
sila
components here.
dito sa
Number 1. Oh,
was,
split
diba?
up. Number 1, number 2, and number 3, and then we have a little trash bin here. So, if you want to put some cleaning supplies, you can put it in 1, 2, and 3 cabinet compartments. Okay. After that, we have our fridge here. Ganito siya mag-open, guys. So, up, and then pull. Yan.
Wow! Ang saya ni Jo, puro coke.
Cola. Oh, also,
Wow.
this is very crucial. Kailangan talaga na i-push siya. Kasi, if hindi siya naka-close, never know, maybe it might open and then the drinks will roll over the floor without releasing it again. What is that?
Si Jo.
Yeah, that's how I wake up in the morning. I just roll myself and
Grabe naman yung bare face.
beds. So, itong bunk beds naman, meron siyang 3 layers.
Wala, ang ano
So,
din, ang sweet lang din na, di ba, nakipagpalit si Jo kay Shi ng pwesto, di ba, yung sa previous story ni Shi. So, wala lang, ang thoughtful lang ni Jo as a leader and as ate, di ba?
first layer,
First floor.
second floor, and the third floor. So, meron dito curtains dito sa first floor. Yan, as well as sa second and third floor. Tapos, meron din siyang ilaw, pero ito yung bed ko, guys. This is my bed. Hi, Bambi. Tapos, since medyo mahaba naman yung bed, pwede ka maglagay ng gamit pa sa paanan mo. Since ito na nga, di ba, may first floor tayo, may second floor tayo. Ito kasi abot na abot tong second floor eh. So, etong third floor, curious ako paano kaya to inaakyat. Nasaan kayo magsasample sa atin?
Di ba lang?
Okay. Ituro mo, paano ka bumababa at umaakyat dyan since nasa third floor ka?
Mas matangkad ko po kay Jo ang so this is how I
Let's see.
yung kailangan malayo yung time.
Okay, wait lang.
It's like this.
Wait. Okay, go.
Wow! Carlos Yulo who I only know
Hey! So
Carlos
talented!
Yuloy.
Go up.
Kailangan dito yung
Grabe naman yung exercise. Bro! Grabe naman pag yung
sobrang convenient.
yung gusto mo na lang matulog pero mahihirapan ka pa. Pero mahihirapan ka pa. Di ba yung antok na antok ka na tapos gaganyan ka pa? Yung tawa ni Jo.
Sobrang convenient dito sa taas kasi
Yes.
parang may sarili kang mundo dito sa taas. Kasi nasa ano kay nasa
Taas.
like it's so tall. Minsan lang ako ma-feel ko ng tall ako. So,
Yeah.
then, that's it guys. Go there.
Okay.
Pakita mo yung carpet natin. May
Oh yes, may carpet kami guys. So, tignan nyo.
What's your problem?
So, after nito kay Ate Maloy,
Cute.
this is at Ate Gwen's.
Parang dito sila
So,
Ate.
Oy, this is at Ate Gwen's. Ate!
so, this is our, what do you call this?
Our ano ba, entertainment area.
Wow. Parang
Sige
dito
nga,
sila
entertain
nag-live
mo
na.
nga. Dito yung mga regalo ng Blue.
Aww.
Sinort na namin to kagabi. Thank you sa mga gifts nyo. Ayan sila. Dito na namin nilagay kasi walang ibang mapaglalagyan, guys. Tapos dito ako natulog ng first day ng ilang oras lang kasi busog na busog ako and takot ako sa suka. Actually, hindi naman ako sukahin pag nagbaba. Sanay naman ako. Sadyang pagbusog lang ako, praning ako. At takot ako sa fact na susuka ako. So, I cannot afford to risk it. Okay, that's it. And this is the view from here. Look at that. Grabe. Dito si Miss MQ. Nandito si Miss MQ nung nakita na si Joanna dyan. Siguro na gumagapang or doon sa kabila.
Bye!
Tapos na agad yun. Colette ni Aya B.
Okay, turn this up. Okay.
Vlogger Colette, let's go.
Bye! Okay, turn this up. Okay.
Suka ako, so I cannot. Ako,
Ang
siguro
ulang,
na
ano
gumaga.
lang, ang saya panoodin na si Jo.
Turn this up. Okay.
So, ayun na nga, wala. Parang ang saya lang makita tong bus tour vlog kahit sobrang ikli kasi wala naman sila masyadong ipapakita dun sa bus. Ang saya kasi parang, ayun nga, parang nasa isang bahay ulit sila, parang beanie house. So, alam mo yun, nai-imagine ko yung gulo kapag ka madami silang energy, lalo na si Maloy at saka si Sheena. So, di ba, imaginein mo yung gulo sa bus. And wala, ang saya nga lang na magkakasama sila talaga. And na-experience nila tong bus tour nila, 'di ba? Like parang dream come true ng kahit sino yung ganito, yung kahit nga overnight lang sa bus na ganito, 'di ba? Parang ang saya ng ma-experience yun. So sila pa na nagtutour, nagwo-world tour na gamit yung bus. So ang saya lang mapanood. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!